Hi, everybody. Barbara Friedberg here from robo-advisor Pros and Barbara Friedberg Personal Finance. I'm a former portfolio manager and a university investments instructor. And I'm here today to talk about one of my favorite robo-advisors, which is a digital investment manager called Wealthfront. Today, we'll be discussing what is Wealthfront? Who is it best for? Who should avoid Wealthfront? And their top features. Now, Wealthfront has a host of features, so we can't cover them all, but we'll hit on the main ones that you'll be interested in. We have fees and minimums, their digital financial advisor path, their cash account, self-driving money, their lending platform Borrow, and I even have a promotion for you today. So let's get started. What is Wealthfront? Wealthfront is one of the largest and earliest robo-advisors. They manage 20 billion assets. They offer to manage your money for a very low fee of 0.25% of assets under management. They craft a really smart investment portfolio. Once you let them know what your goals, your income, and your risk level is. It's an awesome platform for someone who wants to either get started investing or a more advanced investor who just doesn't feel like doing all the management themselves. So your investments are managed in a way that's similar to a high fee financial planner who usually charges about 1% of investments under management for a quarter of that cost. So now let's talk about who is Wealthfront best for. Okay, Wealthfront is best for investors who are comfortable with an all-digital financial planner. So although Wealthfront does not offer access to regular live financial planners like Betterment does, or like Ellevest or SoFi Invest, their Path financial investment manager does an awesome job of replicating the questions that are asked by a human live financial advisor. It's great for investors who are looking for a diversified investment portfolio, who want automated tax loss harvesting, as well as the opportunity to borrow from their investment account and the opportunity to maximize their cash. So who should avoid Wealthfront? Well, I'm going to be frank with you. If you want access to a live financial advisor, then this isn't the platform for you. Look at some of the others I mentioned, and I'll list them in the show notes as well. But if you are interested in learning what I really like about Wealthfront, then stay tuned for a few more minutes and you'll get a quick overview. Wealthfront has a very low investment minimum of only $500. So once you've got $500, you can start investing. As we said, their management fee is 0.25%. That's extremely low as well. They have a variety of available account types. And one of the other things I really like about Wealthfront is they are the only robo-advisor at present who offers a 529 college saving account. So if you have kids that are going to go into college, this is a plus. I started a 529 account when my daughter was born, and it worked out great and really helped cut down on the fees we had to pay for her college. Okay, so on down to some of the other features. They have daily tax loss harvesting. They offer a high yield cash account and loans. Additionally, they have a free portfolio review, a home buying guide. And here is their amazing list of accounts. So they really have any type of account that you could want, from taxable to all types of retirement accounts and the 529 college account. So who should use Wealthfront? Wealthfront is perfect if you just want to get started investing and you just do not want to manage your own investments, or you're a new investor, you don't know what the heck to do. It is so easy to sign up, and just to show you what their website looks like. Simple. The self-driving money feature is one of my favorite newest features because it automates your dollars so that you select an account to link with your Wealthfront investing account. And once your baseline amount of money exceeds a certain level, the money is automatically transferred into your Wealthfront investing account. That's awesome to keep your money working for you. Their cash account services offer high interest rates, which, as we know now, are not really high, but at some point interest rates will go up. You can pay your bills, you can access ATMs for free, and get your cash from your direct deposit up to 2 days in advance. And then here's their basic investment platform. Diversified portfolio, reduce your taxes. So let's drill down into a couple of the other features and then wrap it up with a special promotion for you. Here's a list of their general investment options. I like that they have a very nicely diversified offering from all sorts of stock investments, from the US to international. They also have an appreciation fund, which is another word for high dividends. So it gives you a little more cash flow. Bonds work to stabilize the value of your portfolio. And they even have an international bond fund, which gives you a little more yield and a little more diversification. Because as you know, stocks and bond values go up and down. So the more diversified your investment portfolio is, the more likely you will be able to temper the losses and moderate those. Of course, rebalancing is a core of every robo-advisor, which means after you set your preferred asset mix from, say, 70% stocks to 30% bonds, the platform will automatically, when the asset mix gets out of whack, if stocks go up to, say, 75%, they'll automatically sell 5% of your stocks so you get back to that 70-30 asset mix. That's really helpful to keep your returns smooth and to minimize your risk. So let's talk performance, because a lot of people look for high-performing robo-advisors. And what you need to understand about performance is, depending on your asset mix, your investment performance will vary. The thing I like about Wealthfront is they choose very low fee exchange traded funds. So you're not going to be paying a lot of money to the fund company, and most of your money will go towards your actual investments. In terms of performance, they'll typically match the performance of the investment markets of your funds. And you might think, well, that doesn't sound good. But let me tell you, the data is very clear that probably around 70% of investment managers do not match the index returns. So you can expect pretty good performance. They have a great app for higher account balances. They have special programs that will reduce your fees even more, called their direct indexing. They offer college planning guidance. And if you want to try and beat the markets, Wealthfront offers what is called a risk parity fund and also a specialty smart beta fund. These are options to target certain segments of your investments in the hopes of maybe beating the markets. Their portfolio line of credit is amazing because you may need money for a short-term vacation or for a wedding, something like that. You can borrow from your account as long as your account is worth over $25,000 and allow your investments to keep earning at the rate that the market is trending. And typically the fees on this portfolio line of credit or Wealthfront Borrow are very, very low. We've touched on their high yield cash account, which again just makes things more convenient for your own investing, everything under one roof. So as a wrap up, let's talk about what I like about Wealthfront. It is probably among the most comprehensive digital investment platforms. They've been around a long time. They're a solid company. They're not going anywhere. Their investment methodology is influenced by smart modern portfolio theory. And on their investment committee is Burton Malkiel, the author of Random Walk Down Wall Street, one of the investment greats. So I do want to also tell you one more thing that other reviews probably are not going to be tuned into, which is when you call up Wealthfront for customer service, their advisors on the phone are actually licensed with a Series 7 license or certified financial planner license. So they have a certain degree of investment knowledge that you typically do not find with customer service representatives. I find that a really big advantage. The only negatives that I would find about Wealthfront is if you really want access to human live financial planning options, then this isn't the platform for you. So, if you like what you hear, please sign up for Wealthfront. You can use the link below the video and you will get your first $5,000 managed for free. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a small commission if you do use that link. And that goes to help pay for this site. Thanks so much for showing up, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.